We are here in the
Butterfly Garden 2?
Butterfly Garden number 2, entry number 2. There are more butterflies here, but I don't think that my camera can see it.
Competitor 2.
Competitor number 2.
Magkano? How much is the price?
20,000 kapera! Kapeso pala.
20,000 kapeso!
Can you imagine? She's the one saying it.
Mas kita butterfly do sa ano?
Yeah, but there are more butterflies here.
Yeah.
They are more productive. But I think magka-combine sila eh. But they stay here more.
Yeah. Pareho lang pala. Just the same. Nahilig lang ako sa butterfly, pero hindi sila kaya hawakan.
You know, there are a lot there.
Ano kaya meron dyan?
Ardy!
Oh, you're here!
Tapos ka na mag-poop? Tapos ka na mag-poop?
Binibidi yan!
Wala kang ligtas.
Tapos na daw magpo-binibidi.
Even if you are a camera shy. There, oh.
Tara, mag-Lola's Garden na tayo. Umiinit na pala.
Wait, nasa na yung scary na butterfly?
Ito, scary din to.
Alam mo,
Which?
hinawakan dyan yung butterfly. Pwede pala yun. Marunong ka.
Butterfly. Butterfly. Looks like dahon lang, no? Alright, 2 minutes. Bye.